Hey everyone, so this week while testing I made an outdoor fire pit. I did this as a project for a couple of reasons. One, I was testing the machine and I did learn some useful things during that process, and two, I was testing a new building technique that I want to experiment with. So I was testing the machine. We made some changes to the kinematics math in firmware version 0.58, I believe. No, sorry, 0.85. And then I found that the belts were a little bit too tight after those changes. So this week in 0.86, we are adjusting the amount of tension the machine uses during the calibration process. And I found that that leads to better belt tension overall. So that was a great lesson. And then the other thing we learned is I was sort of experimenting with this technique of building using sort of a lattice of CNC cut parts that define a shape, and then bending and nailing this thin lath material over them. It worked really great for this fire pit, and I'd like to explore using that technique to make something bigger. The thing I have in mind is like a sauna. I think it'd be really cool to be able to CNC out some interesting organic shape and then sort of bring it to life by bending this over. These pieces are just attached with a brad nailer, which goes really fast. And this stuff is super cheap. It's just called lath. They sell it at Lowe's. Like, this was like 20 bucks. Yeah, overall it came out great. Got a lot of footage of the machine running, which is good. Sometimes we forget to actually film when we're cutting stuff because we see it every day, so we forget that people won't see it. So this time around I actually got some footage of cutting, which is nice. I also want to address, I feel like I'm going to get some comments of people saying that you can't make a fire pit out of wood. This particular burner specifically is designed so you can put it in wood. I will, of course, the first time I fire it up, make sure everything is okay. But overall, yeah, I'm excited. This is something my girlfriend asked me to make for us. And now we have one, although I was supposed to do it months ago when the weather was nice. But the weather will get nice again. So have a great week, everyone, and thanks for following along.